Hi guys, and welcome back to Tarot Page Philippines. And this video, gawin natin ang weekly horoscope para sa may mga Sun, Moon, and Rising na Aquarius for April 21 to 27. So if you're new to the channel, subscribe, like, and share po. Kung hindi nyo po alam kung ano yung Sun, Moon, and Rising sign nyo, importante siya. At the end of our video, meron po tayong link para dito para pala nyo po mapanood. Remember that the readings po are for guidance purposes. Use your free will wisely. And I'm also inviting you guys na i-click po yung join button sa baba para maging member. Magkakaroon kayong access sa ating mga extended readings and mga exclusive benefits din po. So, just click the join button sa baba. For those na nangailangan po ng private readings or spellworks or daily horoscope, message our page po and may admin po tayo na tutulong po sa inyo. Sa mga kailangan gusto po mag-send ng donations, you can use the thanks button po sa baba. Okay, so Aquarius, how are you? So we have here the Two of Wands, tsaka CY. Ando lang talaga, no, na may moment ka ngayon na medyo binabalik ka sa nakaraan. Ang dami sa inyo na medyo andun sa phase na kung saan inaayan ka ng universe to reminisce. Yan. Yung mga tipong na binabalikan, yung mga theme song na kung maibabalik ko lang moments natin. So, that's normal. Kasi, andoon na maganda ang past, but maganda binabalikan ng nakaraan. Pangit man ito, or maganda. Kasi, it brings us a lot of life lessons. Ang dami niyang dala ng mga pwede natin matutunan. Pero sa case mo kasi, andoon na medyo nagiging on the negative side siya. What do I mean? Andoon na natitake mo siya na parang, sana pala ganito yung ginawa ko. So, instead of you learning from the past, ang nangyayari, nagkakaroon ka ng self-pity. Nagkakaroon ka ng negative connotation na, ay nako, nagkamali ako in the past, mali na yung mga nangyari, hindi na maganda. So, it is pulling you down. Ngayon, pinapalasin ng cards, look at it from a fresh perspective. Tingnan mo yung past as from, andoon na, ano yung naging result nun? Diba? Medyo mag-ala Britney Spears tayo. That we could say to ourselves, we are stronger than yesterday. Yung mga negative aspects about your past made you stronger eh. Diba? Gusto kaya magandang kantang, what doesn't kill you makes you stronger, stand a little bit higher. Totoo. One of the pastors na sobrang appreciate ko was Pastor Manny Cruz. I think nasa teenage years ako nun. Siya yung head pastor nun sa San Juan UMC. One of the sermons before he left na tumatak sa akin is yung sinabi niya, you can turn your scars into stars. Gawin mo mga between yung mga peklat mo. And technically kasi sabi niya na yung mga peklat natin, yun yung strongest part natin eh. Strongest skin natin. Now the card is advising you, you find your strength. Hanapin mo yung lessons, hanapin mo yung blessings. Allow yourself to understand na kaya nangyari to is because there's a deeper purpose for it. Ask the universe, ano yung purpose? Ask the universe, what's the blessing? What's the lesson? Pero what's keeping you? What's crossing you? It's the two of swords, tsaka si a leg up. Well, in a way na, minsan nakahirap, totoo. There are moments na nahihiya kasi tayo na humingi ng advice or mag-open up. Ikaw, nahihiya, natatakot ka na i-expose yung heart mo because of maybe some things of the past. And andoon na, napaproject mo na, naku, pag nag-open up ako dito, pag nagkwento ako dito, ganito yung mangyari, eto yung sabihin, eto yung maging reaction. Yes, there are times na tama ka, na ganon sila. Pero pinapaalala din sa'yo ng universe, asking for help is also necessary. Asking for help to clarify what really happened is also important. Para ma-process mo yung mga emotions mo yon of the past. Now, the cards are also advising na huwag mo masyadong gawing logical nasabihin natin na, ay nako, like experience ko, ay nako, naghiwalay yung parents ko, blah blah blah. No, andoon yung, kasi two sides sa may kita mo the negative side. So, hindi ako nagkaroon ng pagkakataon matapos ko yung pag-aaral ko, or ma-enjoy ko yung childhood ko kasi I need to grow up bilang panganay, maging matured ako. But, look on the bright side. Nung tinignan ko, nag-mature ako, I became stronger. Andoon na kaya kong manindigan, kaya ko kahit mag-isa, kaya kong magawa yung mga bagay na hindi nagagawa ng iba. Because those experiences made me who I am right now. And there's a lot of people in my past na tumulong sa akin para ma-achieve ko kung nasaan din ako ngayon. So, ano ba yung desire card mo? So, we have here the Four of Wands and go the distance. Simple lang. Two things na nakikita ko na yung desire nyo dito. Some wants to have that acceptance, yung family. Maramdaman nyo na you belong. Maramdaman nyo na you are wanted. Maramdaman nyo na ando na makita nyo na you are not alone. While some wants to get out doon sa situation. Gusto nyong lumabas, gusto nyong umalis, gusto nyong sa aking takasan. Pero makaalis at makahinga doon sa mga situation where you are right now. Especially yung overthinking nyo, yung over-analysis nyo. Kumbaga, andoon na siya sabi ng cards na to. Sometimes, ang dami sa inyo, you feel at peace when you are connected with people. Na andoon na you are surrounded doon ng mga tao na masabi natin na they comfort you, they understand you, they listen to you. Yun lang naman hinihintay mo din Yun lang naman yung hinahangad mo. Kung titignan natin, it's very simple, pero in reality, napaka-importante niya sa'yo. Now, ano ba yung foundation mo for now? We have here yung Six of Pentacles, tsaka here and now. Okay, living in the reality is good. Tama yun. Dapat, di ba? The past is history na And sabi nga doon sa Kung Fu Panda, the past is history, the future, it's still a mystery. But live in the present because but the present is a gift. That's why it's called the present. So, andun na, nakikita mo yung mga bagay about the present, what you need to do, what you need to fix, especially in terms of the physical environment, your relationship with the people around you, na medyo parang hindi ganun kaayos, and yun nga, kahit may mga kasama ka, you feel alone. Pero, napala din sa'yo ng card na although you're living in the present, make the most out of it. Hindi naman yan, dahil yan yung present, yan na rin yung magiging future mo. The future always changes. Gamitin mo yung present to alter the course of your future, to make it, to drive it to sa future na gusto mong ma-build. You want an environment where andoon na ramdam mo yung acceptance of a family, then drive it towards it. Ano ba yung nasa past mo? So we have here the Three of Cups and chopped wood. Okay. Well, may mga naging decisions ka. Before kasi, with the Three of Cups, meron kang mga sabi natin na naging kampante ka. Nakala mo na kahit ano yung gawin mo, is ina-accept ng mga tao na okay lang sa kanila. Nag-overboard ka doon. And because of that, there were a lot of changes. Ano yung mga nabago yung pananaw mo, nabago yung environment mo. Some of you left yung comfort zones nyo, nag-cut ng mga relationships, nagkaroon ng distance, there were misunderstandings na nangyari. However, this card is actually advising na isa sa mga babalikan mo to understand ano ba yung mga naging actions mo before that cause those kinds of things to happen. Doon mo ayusin yung sarili mo. Doon ka mag-focus. Ano yung mga ano yung mga nagawa, nasabit na isip, na nag-cause nito. At ano yung mga hindi nasabi, hindi nagawa, at hindi naisip, para mag-drive din sa present situation mo. Aquarius, you are overthinking. Doon mo ngayon i-divert yung energy mo. Understanding your history will allow you to have better decisions sa present that will create a better future para sa'yo. Now, yung possible future mo, meron tayo dito is the Ten of Cups and the card of Yang. I'm really happy for you kasi ang dami sa inyo sa House of Aquarius na you will give yourself the chance na to be happy once more. Yung tipong i-push back nyo muna yung mga iniisip nyo. Ipo-push nyo din na parang andito ka lang muna kasi ito yung it's not helping me. Magkakaroon ka ng self-realization eh. And with the card of Yang, andoon na yung aggressive mind nyo. Bibigyan nyo ng chance na medyo kumalma ka, huwag kang masyadong mag-overthink. Well, one thing kasi, if you're still struggling, isa sa mga magandang pwede ko i-suggest is actually banishing spell para matanggal yung negative energies and ma-replace yun with the healing spell to hindi ang healing kasi hindi lang naman to physical eh. It could be mental, emotional. So, it will really help. Yeah. So, I hope na, kung nakaka-resonate ka sa readings natin, I'd like to invite you to click the join button sa baba to become a member. Magkakaroon ka na access sa ating exclusive extended readings and benefits. But for now, tuloy natin yung reading mo. Now, your physical environment we have here is the Five of Wands and Deep Knowing. Now, andun kasi with the physical environment, nakakaloka talaga na ang dami sa inyo that you are living in an environment na toxic. Andun yung point na hanggat maaari, hindi mo hinahayaan na maapektuhan ka. On a surface level, hindi mo napapansin. Pero doon sa deeper level, doon sa subconscious part mo, nare-register yung mga ginagawa at sinasabi nila eh. And sabihin na lang natin na nakaka-affect na siya deep inside. Kumbaga sa pundasyon ng isang building, pinapasok ng tubig ng pundasyon. And that is causing para medyo maging shaky yung foundation mo. So, andun yung point na with the card of Deep Knowing kasi minsan yung pagdededma, hindi siya nakakatulong. Dito gawin mo, sinasabi ng cards, allow yourself to, siguro, kasi nga, ang dami mong mental energy for overthinking eh. Try mo intindihin, bakit sila ganon? Ano yung nag-cause para maging ganon sila mag-isip? Ano yung pinagdaanan kaya nila? Then strike a conversation. Kasi although yes, negative yung energy na ini-emit nila, pero sa core niyan, merong dahilan eh. And to help you change your environment mo, you need to help them also change. Ang nakakatuwa dito kasi, while you are helping them, you are also helping yourself. Kasi may natututunan ka mula sa kanila. Some may mga iba na parang dead mo sila, ayaw nila mag-open sa'yo, but eventually they will. Minsan kailangan natin na patience lang talaga. Sa emotional environment mo, we have here the Queen of Cups and Message in a Bottle. Alam mo, minsan may hinihintay mo na lang din, no, na parang sana may mga musta din naman sa akin para alamin if I am okay, if I am doing good, kung kumakain pa ba ako, humihinga pa ba ako. Actually, lahat naman tayo, ganun din yung gusto na people will try to know yung situation natin. Pero unfortunately kasi, hindi lahat ng tao ganun ka-sensitive. Hindi lahat ng tao kaya gawin yon. Because by nature, selfish tayo lahat ng tao. Kung mas naghihintay ka lang eh, makareceive ka din ng good news na parang, pero andun kasi na minsan, hindi mo kayang tanggapin na kapag may good news na dumarating, may mga iba sa inyo, feeling nyo na parang you don't deserve yung blessing na yun. Wag. all of us deserve the goodness of the universe. Your hopes and fears, si Four of Swords, tsaka si Unfinished Symphony. Ay, alam nyo, feeling ko, selected few. Aquarius, coming from someone, ako, na nawala yung father ko nung December lang. Ang dami kong regrets. Na sana nag-spend more time ako with him, nag-open ako ng communication sa kanya before he passed away. Although, yes, nagkapatawar kami, we were good. Pero, 1 month yata or 2 months prior siya nawala. Nirestrict ko siya sa messenger because of a misunderstanding. Yun ay huli naming usap. Huwag mo kaya mabot sa point na magkakaroon ka ng regrets. While your family is still with you, make the most. Minsan kasi andoon na yun. Ang naging kalaban ko that time was pride. Hinayaan ko na pumasok sa heart ko, na in-entertain ko, yung galit ko noon, yung inis ko. And in a way, until now, may regrets ako. Don't do the same mistake. Huwag mong gawin yung same na pagkakamali na gawa ko noon. Habang you are with your family still here, make the most out of it. Kasi, huwag mong hayaan umabot sa punto na mararamdaman mo yung importansya ng isang tao pag wala sila. Yes, pwedeng andoon na parang detached na sa'yo or wala silang pakialam. But do what you can do. Okay? Wag mong ulitin. Wag mong gawin yung pagkakamali mo. Ay, sorry. Now, yung possible future mo, we have here the Two of Pentacles tsaka New Life. Andoon na, yes, happiness is really near you. Now, ito yung pinapansin ng cards din. Sometimes you need to also change location. Minsan lang, kumbaga distressing. Kasi may nata ko dito sa iba sa inyo, it could cause you some short travels, some short movements, kumbaga breather. And this will cause you to have a new life. And in new life naman, ito nang paalala sa'yo ng universe, ha? Kung i-welcome mo naman yung new life, huwag mo na dalhin yung mga negative things from the past. Huwag mo nang bitbitin yung mga characters na hindi na dapat. And kung maaari, may mga characters in the past that really have done a major impact sa'yo, bring them back. If nakikita mo na yun yung kailangan. So, sino ba itong mga to? At kailan mangyayari to? I-check natin siya sa extended reading mo. To access it, i-click mo na yung join button sa baba. So, you can also have access sa ating mga exclusive benefits. Remember, the readings are for guidance purposes, so use your free will wisely. So, maraming salamat. God bless. Namaste. Hare Krishna. Blessed be. And hope to see you sa extended reading natin. From Baguio City, you have a great day. I'll see you soon.